Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Apple menu and selecting System Settings. This puts you right into the control center where language lives. Once done, unlock the pane with your admin password or Touch ID so changes apply system-wide. Make sure to back up important documents before making a primary language switch, because some apps may reset layouts. Now, locate the Language and Region section. This is where you add a language and set primary preferences. Follow the next steps to install and prioritize a new language. You now add the language. Click the Add Language button, pick the language from the list, and click Add. This downloads necessary resources. Once added, drag the new language to the top of the list to make it primary. Mac OS will prompt to restart or log out. Accept that so the change takes effect. Next, install matching keyboard layouts and adjust region, time, and number formats so apps display correctly. This ensures consistency across menus, dates, and currency. Finalize by restarting or logging out so Mac OS applies the new system language everywhere. This completes the switch for menus and dialogues. After boot, open Finder, Safari, and Settings to verify translations, keyboard input, and regional formats. Make sure shortcuts and third-party apps reflect the change. If something goes wrong, try reinstalling the language pack, reset NVRAM, or create a temporary admin account to isolate preferences.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.